In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create batch invoices. QuickBooks Online Advanced. If you regularly invoice multiple customers at once, the Batch Transactions tool lets you build many invoices in a single grid, saving loads of time and preventing repetitive data entry. First, open QuickBooks Online Advanced and go to the top left corner. Click New, then choose Batch Transactions. This opens a spreadsheet-style table where each row represents an invoice line and the columns map to the fields you'd see on a standard invoice. You'll see places for customer, invoice date, terms, product or service, description, quantity, rate, and more. Think of it like filling in a concise checklist for all your invoices at once. At the top left of this page, select the entity type. Choose Invoice so the table is set up specifically for sales invoices rather than other transaction types. Right next to that, set the action to Create. This tells QuickBooks that you're building new invoices rather than editing existing ones. Now add your data. You can import a file, you can type directly into the table, or you can copy and paste from a spreadsheet. If you're importing, make sure your columns line up with the fields shown on screen and that your dates and numbers use a consistent format. If a customer has multiple line items, list them on separate rows with the same customer and invoice details. For manual entry, use the Tab key to move quickly across columns, and take advantage of autocomplete for customers and items to prevent typos. If you're pasting, match the order of your spreadsheet columns to the table headers first. That way, everything drops into the right place. As you go, keep an eye on required fields such as customer, invoice date, and product or service. Missing information is typically flagged so you can adjust it before saving. When your grid looks good, click Save. QuickBooks will create the invoices based on the rows you entered, applying your standard settings like default terms and tax codes where applicable. If QuickBooks surfaces validation messages, read them carefully. They point to the exact cell that needs attention so you can clean up the data quickly. After saving, the invoices appear in your sales list alongside your other transactions, ready for your normal sending routine. And that's it. You've created a batch of invoices in one pass without opening and saving them one by one. Use this workflow anytime you receive a list of billable items or need to invoice a group of customers at once. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.